take a number from user and display the square of that number starting from 1. For example, if user enters 5, so user enters 5, okay, so you will be giving me 1, then 4, then 9, then 16, then 25, okay, like that. So basically user will enter this 5 number and you have to give me the square of all the numbers starting from 1 till 5. How we can do that? So first of all, we need to take a number from the user, right? So we will be taking num is equal to int input enter a number, right? Okay. Now next I need to take one variable from where I will be starting. So I want to start from 1, so I'll be taking ind is equal to 1, okay, and then I need to store the result also, so I have taken product is equal to 1, okay. Now I'll be checking the condition while ind is less than num, okay, fine. So I want to include this num, so I have to write less than and equal to num, okay. Then I have to increment ind every time, so I have incremented here. And then what next I want to do is I want to print the square of every of that number. So basically I can write ind into ind, right? So first time when ind is equal to 1, it will be printing 1. Then ind will be incremented, ind will become 2, 2 less than 5, true. So 2 into 2, 4, then 3, 3 into 3, 9, and so on. So if I'll be executing it, let's say if I'll enter 5, so I'll be getting the square of it. Fine. Clear, everyone? So this is way we have written the program. Now let's say take a number from the user. Okay. And let's say user enters 5. Okay. So what you need to give me is 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 1 1 1 plus 1 1 1 1 1. Okay. So since user has given 5, so it will be starting adding the numbers 1, 1 1 1 1 4 times 1 and 5 times 1. Okay, till 5. Okay, and it will be giving me the summation. So the summation is 1 2 3 4 5. If user will give 3, then it will be doing till here. Okay, 1 2 3. Fine. We will be taking a number. Num is equal to int input enter a number, okay. User will enter a number, and then what I need to check, I need to check till this number is exhausted. So I'll be taking ind is equal to 1. Okay. Now while ind is less than and equal to num, fine. So I have to increment this ind plus equal to 1. This is fine. And what next we need to do is we need to find the summation. I'll be taking sum, or let me take total, is equal to, so I'll be taking s into ind, okay, and then that will be the string. I will be converting it to the integer, and then I'll be taking the total equal to 0, and this will be plus equal to. Clear? So now let's see this. Finally I'll be printing total. Let's say if I'll enter 5, it is going to give me this. So this is about while loop. I hope you guys have understood while loop, how it works, and what all the syntax is.